What's up guys, welcome back to another drawing tutorial Patreon request today from Leslie. Chompy Mage from Skylanders. So, long time supporter of the channel, Leslie. Shout out. So let's try and draw this. Landscape page, pencil eraser, hip pose if I go too fast. So his face is like in teeth. Alright, so we'll get this hood, the mouth shape first. Okay, like his face is in here. And then the bottom of this hoodie comes down. In there. There's like all teeth around this. Just these spikes. Going around kind of like a shark. And then our boy's face is in here. So say like, yeah, real big eye basically here, cartoon like, top eyelid line. Then the bottom of it comes down this way. It goes underneath his mustache. But maybe we'll just draw the eye instead. It's easier. So he has a big silver circle iris looking up and to the right. And then a black pupil. In there. And then like some eyelid lines. And then it's like his eyebrow goes up this way. This is like his frown as well. So it's like his eyebrow kind of hairy in here. So there's like some textures in there. And then, so we got another sort of bump on the other side here. His other eyebrow goes this way. It's kind of hairy because you can see more of it. It's like his eyebrow up here is like higher up. And then his other eye in here kind of goes behind his nose. So we'll just draw this side of his nose first. The square nose. The other side here. Doo-doo. And then big silver gray eye. And some eyelid lines. Boop. He's got like some wrinkles on his forehead under here. And then he has a mustache and a beard. So sort of a hairy textured line just coming across there. And it kind of comes across his mouth then. And then bottom lip. and then I think this is beard, a beard line or something there, or skin or something. I think it's beard, looks grey. And then he has like two sort of bunny teeth at the top here. And then some sharp fangs. Then it looks like normal teeth down here. And then his tongue. All in there. And that's his face, right? So his clothing then, so his hoodie goes this way. Right, then we come up around. Then there's like two antenna sort of eyes, right? Sticking up here. Now if I'm going too fast, just use your pause button. There's a lot to this, so I'm gonna get through it. There's a lot of parts to it, you know. It's not complicated, but there's a lot of parts like hands and different faces and stuff. And this seems to have like eyes. Sorry, are they eyes? Right, and then like rest of his hood. There. Okay, so I think his beard comes out from underneath his hood here. And it kind of twirls. So this is all just hairy beard. And then his body is down here. So he's got like a jacket that hangs down onto the ground. And then a little waistcoat. And a belt, kind of like a leprechaun. Which I know a lot about. So, his jacket going that way. Got a staff, like a big staff and a hand here. Two legs. Let me see. We can see all of this leg anyway. Right, and then a little leg that way, but the staff kind of cuts everything off. So let's see, palm of his hand. So we'll do that's holding the staff. It's pretty big, right? Double bump just there, and then thumb, cartoony sort of big fingers, big thumbnail. Then the index finger. Next finger. This one's kind of bent in behind the thumb. Is that his? There. And then this staff kind of bends and winds its way down here across his body. And then his sleeve, green, sort of baggy sleeve. Jacket in there, and then his other sort of clawed foot here. Oh, and there's like little teeth on this as well. A lot of teeth. A lot of teeth in this drawing. Kind of goes around here but disappears eventually. Alright, another hand up there, but maybe I'll finish the staff so it's kind of like bendy. It's like a little triangle out there. I think it goes that way. There's a green part here. And then there's like a big face. Or something. I'm not sure if it's a face. But there is teeth and eyes, so. So it goes up to more of these antennas that have eyes in them. Similar to the ones on his hood. And they're just like black and shiny in there. And then a mouth with teeth. And then there's wings. Teeth on those. Or like, yeah, I think they're sharp things anyway. Some texture on the staff, I think. Right, and then he's got like a little hand puppet sort of here. And then this guy has another little ear sticking out here. And then his head. Some stitching. And then like spirals with eyes. So eyeballs on springs. His eyes are like looking down this way. And then just these coils, these like springs, so you could draw 2 lines and color them silver, but I think the easiest way is to do it just with a thick, dark black line, like that. And that's how I draw Chompy Mage. Thanks for support on Patreon, Leslie. See you in the next one.